This is the evolution of Indian real estate.
अगर आपने लास्ट 3 दिन में
एक ब्रांड बहुत बार सुना हो सोशल मीडिया में, न्यूज़पेपर्स में, न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे, तो
I won't be surprised.
it's an introduction of big branded residences
into India.
आज मैं
ऐसे ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस के बारे में बात करने वाला हूं जिसके ऑलरेडी 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स are under execution in Dubai. This particular brand have been operational for almost 4 decades. They have been recognized as a lifestyle brand in ultra HNI segment. और इनके ब्रांड के प्रोडक्ट्स को बाय करने के लिए you need to have a great pedigree. Obviously आपको पैसे तो बहुत चाहिए, लेकिन आपका इंडिविजुअल क्रेडिबिलिटी भी बहुत स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. So today we are going to talk about Jacob and Co. Jacob and Co is one of the best companies in luxury watches and in jewelry. तो आज हम बात करेंगे M3M Jacob and Co नोएडा. So M3M is bringing Jacob and Co branded residences in Noida at one of the primest locations, Sector 97, just next to UGCC golf course. इससे पहले कि हम प्रोडक्ट को अंडरस्टैंड करें, उससे पहले मैं आपको Jacob and Co as a company, how their operations are और किस तरह के products they sell and how it is one of the most luxurious brand of the world और कौन-कौन से celebrities हैं जो इसको own करते हैं. So Jacob and Co started their operations in 1986 in New York, USA. The promoter of Jacob and Co is Jacob Arabo. He was born in Uzbekistan and he moved to US in 1970s when he was only 5 years old. He started with a very humble beginning. लेकिन जब किसी इंडिविजुअल का एक विजन होता है, पैशन होता है किसी चीज के लिए, then they drive the things and they become one of the known personalities of the world. So in 1986 he started his operation. He started with jewelry and because of his creativity and uniqueness वो बहुत ही जल्दी उनको recognition मिला in celebrity environment and he was called as Jacob the Jeweler. और पूरे US के अंदर उनकी जो ज्वेलरी थी मानी जाती थी and people wanted to own it but it was so expensive that very limited people in the world was able to buy it. And at the same time he started a super luxury watch company which is one of the best companies of the world and their watches are the most expensive. In fact उनकी एक वॉच तो 250 करोड़ में बिकी हुई है. और जेकब के ब्रांड को ओन करना, उनकी वॉचेस को ओन करना, उनकी ज्वेलरी को ओन करना एंड इनफैक्ट उनके अपार्टमेंट्स को ओन करना एक स्टेटस सिंबल है. So Jacob and Co is headquartered in Manhattan with the boutique operations in Dubai, Geneva, London and Monaco. कुछ ऐसे सेलिब्रिटीज जो उनके ब्रांड को वेयर करते हैं इज ड्रेक, रिहाना, क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, ट्रेविस स्कॉट ज्वेलरी एंड सुपर लग्जरी वॉचेस. दे प्लान टू कम इनटू रियल एस्टेट एंड इन फैक्ट दे स्टार्टेड देयर जर्नी ऑफ रियल एस्टेट फ्रॉम दुबई. तो दुबई के अंदर इनके ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस लॉन्च होते हैं. वन ऑफ द ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस दैट इज बुर्ज बिंगाती जेकब एंड को ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस दैट वाज लॉन्च्ड इन बिजनेस बे दुबई. That's under construction. They started their operations from Dubai and they hold a very strong presence in Dubai. And in fact, मैं अगर बताऊं दुबई के अंदर Jacob and Co residences की बहुत डिमांड है and they are at a steep price in comparison to the market. The second they launched was Jacob and Co Beachfront Living by Ohana. These both are one of the finest developments of Dubai and are in most demand. Then recently there is a fresh launch that is Mantra Jacob and Co Residences. It's again a fully branded luxury residential tower. अगर मैं बुर्ज बेंगाती के बारे में बताऊं तो these are only 299 units, very limited unit and it's going to become one of the tallest buildings of Dubai. It has apartments, sky mansions, penthouses and a billionaire sky penthouse. इसकी 50% of the inventory is sold out. इसको बहुत exclusively sell किया जाता है by invitation only and by profile checking. These are villas, sky mansions and beachfront mansions. बुर्ज बेंगाती के अंदर जो आपके नॉर्मल 2 and 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स हैं, those are ranging from 20 crores to 25 crores and the penthouses and the sky mansions ranges from around 50 to 60 crores. So that's a kind of luxury that we are talking about. That's a value of the branded residences. In fact, इसी लोकेशन में एक नॉर्मल जो प्रोजेक्ट है that operates at 50% down द कैपिटल वैल्यू, अगर इनका 50 करोड़ का एक स्काई मैंशन है, दैट ऑपरेट्स एट अ प्राइस ऑफ अराउंड 22 करोड़. So that's the value of Jacob and Co branded residences. And even Jacob and Co is planning to launch their developments in Europe and Australia. With their strong presence in jewelry, luxury watches, now Jacob and Co is getting strong in super luxury residential development, and they are choosing developers of every country where they will create a joint venture with them and go and make these developments with them. Now with that, let's come down to their Indian operations. They are starting with their first development in India, in North India. They are going to come up in Noida with M3M. M3M has been known for bringing branded residences into India. Trump Towers, they have already tied up for the North India. They have launched 3 Trump Towers, 2 in Gurgaon and 1 in Noida. And one of the Trump Tower is getting into a position, and that holds the maximum capital value of that particular micro market. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूं कि क्यों ये ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस के जो प्राइसेस हैं, they operates at a higher price in comparison to other developments in the market. अगर मैं ट्रम्प टावर गुड़गांव की बारे में बात करूं, ट्रम्प टावर गुड़गांव operates at a price of 40,000 rupees per square feet. And उसी के बगल के जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, those are operating at a price of 20 to 22,000 rupees per square feet. So you can see a 100% uplift in terms of price point. 20,000 पे normal apartment, 40,000 पे Trump Tower. The same way, these branded residences are going to go up. M3M understands the value of branded residences. That's the reason they are bringing multiple branded residences into India, and Jacob and Co is one of them. It is coming at one of the prime locations of Noida. This is coming in sector 97, bang on Noida Expressway, and these apartments are going to face towards the UGCC golf course. The connectivity is superb. The accessibility to Delhi is only around 10 minutes away. The social infrastructure of this particular area is super strong. अगर मैं बात करूं जो ट्रम्प टावर्स नोएडा के अंदर लॉन्च हुआ था, that is only a 7-minute drive from this particular development. It's going to be only exclusive 250 apartments. तो Jacob and Co नोएडा के सिर्फ 250 क्लाइंट्स ही हो सकते हैं who will own Jacob and Co residences. अब जैसे कि मैंने M3M का आपको बताया, M3M has a strong operations in India, and they are one of the biggest players of Indian real estate. And in fact, गुड़गांव मार्केट को they dominate. और जो भी गुड़गांव के अंदर प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने आता है, तो DLF and M3M का नाम वो सुनता ही है, and they evaluate the properties between DLF and M3M where they should buy into it. So that's a kind of magnitude of their operation in Gurgaon region. And with their earlier launch of Trump Tower in Noida, they have become super strong in Noida also. They are going to bring multiple launches in Noida, and they are going to be very specific in bringing a super luxury residences which will create a right value for the investors, and which will create a right value to the skyline of Noida micro market. Now when we come on to the product, M3M Jacob and Co residences, these are going to be in sector 97 Noida. Very exclusive development, as I told you. Only 250 apartments are going to be there. They are going to be 3 sizes. The first size is going to be of 2500 square feet. That's going to be 3 BHK. 4 BHK is going to be of 4500 square feet, and 5 BHK is going to be of 6400 square feet. 3 BHK जो होंगे वो 4 अपार्टमेंट होंगे एक फ्लोर पे, 4 BHK जो होंगे सिर्फ 2 अपार्टमेंट होंगे एक फ्लोर पे, and 5 BHKs are going to be very exclusive inventory. Only 30 apartments in the whole complex. That would be only 1 apartment to a floor. So the 3 BHK is going to be ground plus 32, and the other 2 towers are going to be of ground plus 34. Now let's come on to the elevation. What kind of architecture they are coming imbibing? So they are bringing lot of Dubai element, lot of Jacob and Co elements from the jewelry and luxury watches to this particular product. As you can see, the elevation of this particular product is superly fine, and all the international consultants have got into play. In fact, Jacob and Co का जो real estate division है, that they are very much into the designing of this particular project, the architecture of this product. It's going to become one of the exclusive address of Noida micro market. Now, as you can see in the elevation, you are going to have the sky lounges. That is going to be the clubhouse on the terrace of these buildings, and there's a lot of jewelry element that has been imbibed into the architecture, and a lot of lighting that has been involved into it. Now, it's a right mix of the lights and the metal on the architecture, on the facade of this building, which will create it as a unique proposition of Noida micro market. Now this is going to be a development of around 6 acres, which is going to be surrounded by 300 acres of open vistas. मतलब ये जो golf course होगा और green areas होगा, इनके apartments जो होंगे उनको face करेंगे, और एक तरफ पे view जो आएगा आपका यमुना river का आएगा. So every tower is going to have the sky lounges, which will have the sky cinema, the whiskey bar, the music lounge, and the conservatory gardens. So there are going to be 4 towers, और ये जो चारों टावर हैं वो इतने यूनिकली क्रिएट किए गए हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर. और जेकब एंड को की जो रियल एस्टेट डिवीजन है उन्होंने इसमें इतना थॉट्स लगाए हैं. एज यू कैन सी इट्स ए कॉन्सलेशन ऑफ इंडल्जेंस. देयर आर 4 क्राउन्स जो एक कॉन्सलेशन को क्रिएट करते हैं, और जो लाइटिंग को यूज किया गया है, जो मेटल को यूज किया गया है, इसके एलिवेशन को, इट मेक्स इट सुपर्बली एलिगेंट एंड वेरी यूनिक. और जो इनके क्लब हाउस होंगे ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर, इट्स गोइंग टू हैव इवेंट्स पेविलियन, टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल्ड पूल, द गार्डन लाउंजेस, al fresco terraces. These are going to be fully fitted apartments. As you can see some of the renders of how it's going to look like from inside. So let's come down to the price points. The pricing for a 5 BHK, it's going to be 36,000 rupees per square feet. 4 BHK, it's going to be 32,000 rupees per square feet, and 3 BHK is going to be 31,000 rupees per square feet. This is the inaugural price of this particular project. And the payment plan is going to be very lucrative, that is 25 into 4. So it's going to become one of the global icon. It's going to become one of the unique product of North India market. It's going to become one of the unique product of Noida real estate. And even the layouts of these apartments are going to be very efficient, जो आपकी daily requirements को fulfill करेगा. The clubhouse is going to be massive with all the amenities, the 5-star amenities that we can think of. और अगर आप इनके layouts को समझना चाहते हैं, इसकी master planning को समझना चाहते हैं, तो we can have a personalized preview for you which will help you to understand this product in a better way. You can call us. We will be able to give you more information about this product and can have a personalized preview of the layouts and the master planning of this particular product. जैसे कि मैंने आपको एक थोड़ा सा insight दिया था, branded residences always give you a better return than a normal residences. This is a very unique proposition. अगर आप आज इस पे invest करेंगे तो you will earn a very good ROI over a period of time. So if you want to understand more about this particular project, Jacob and Co branded residences, you can connect with our team. We have an exclusive team who manages branded residences, and we would be happy to assist you. I, Saurabh Duggal, with the experience of more than 20 years and worked with lot of developers at a leadership level. In fact, मेरा जो last assignment था, I worked with M3M and SmartWord as a vice president. So I understand how these products work and what kind of opportunities these kind of products brings for you.